Singletons. Singletons are for those special classes that need only one instance throughout your application's lifecycle, just one. No duplicates allowed. Think of it like this. You're building your next billion-dollar worth game, and you create a class for settings. No matter what page you're on or where you call it, you'd always want to access the same settings instance, right? Now, here's the real deal. How do you ensure there's only one settings instance for your app? The answer. Singletons. How do you ensure there's only one calculator in a calculator app? Singletons. What about centralized access to your database? You guessed it right. Singletons. Singletons are the VIP of classes when it comes to centralized management. Enough theory. Let's get practical. How do we ensure that we always access the same settings instance, no matter which page or file we're in? Here's an experiment. Pause the video and try to come up with a solution. See if you can figure out how singletons work before I explain it. It's a fun challenge, and trust me, it's the best way to learn. Now, let's get to our code. We have two files, main.dart and settings.dart. We'll start with settings.dart. Create a private static instance and a private constructor. Normally, in languages without factory constructors, you'd create a static getter to access the private instance. But here's where Dart shines. Factory constructors. Then, create a difficulty enum with values like easy, intermediate, and hard. Add a difficulty field to the class, defaulting to intermediate. Add a Changa difficulty method to modify it. Now get to the main.dart. Create a settings instance. Change the difficulty to easy, and print it. Create another settings instance and print the difficulty again. Here's the output. First instance, easy. Second instance, still easy. But wait! Without a singleton, the second instance should have been reset to the default, which is intermediate. So, how did this happen? It's because of the factory constructor. Instead of creating a new instance, it keeps returning the same private static instance over and over again. And that, my friends, is the power of singletons. I hope you got the hang of singletons. See you in the next video.